I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by getting essentials in place. Make sure the TV supports Airplay 2 and firmware is updated. Once done, connect your iPhone, iPad, or Mac to the same Wi-Fi network as the TV. Next, on the Samsung remote, go Home, open Settings, choose General, then Apple Airplay Settings and enable Airplay. This activates the TV to accept streams. Now, grab your iPhone and open Control Center so you can start the mirroring or media casting step. You now tell your Apple device where to send content. Open Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring or the Airplay icon from the app you're playing. Then select your Samsung TV name from the list. The TV will often display a 4-digit code to confirm the connection. Enter that code on your device to pair them. Once paired, use the Airplay options to choose video resolution or route audio. Make sure bandwidth is stable, because higher quality streams need more network headroom. You finish the session by stopping Airplay when done. Open Control Center and tap Stop Mirroring, or switch the TV input back using the remote. If you want persistent control, go into Apple Airplay settings on the TV to require a code or limit which devices can connect. If something goes wrong, restart both the TV and your Apple device, verify they are on the same network, and temporarily disable VPNs or strict firewalls. That one troubleshooting step fixes most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.